Hey everyone! So Richie asked me recently, can we make a video about the new Nimiq plugin? And I can say, yes we can. And so I will quickly just introduce the plugin and what it's about. So the Nimiq plugin is a way for WooCommerce users, WordPress WooCommerce users, to accept Nimiq, and now in the new version also Bitcoin and Ethereum in their shops, in the online stores. When you check out when you want to pay with Nimiq, then you can very easily directly click through, you see your accounts in the list, and you just click your account, put in your password, and then you already paid. But with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you have to scan a QR code. Like the plugin will display you a QR code, or it will show you the details, what you sent to, the address and the amount, and then you insert that into your wallet app, and then you pay, and then the plugin automatically detects in the background when your payment has arrived. Yes, we have tested it. We had some early adopters before we now released the plugin. We tested it with a couple of people. Also, mainly we developed it together with Kind Humans and tested it there for a long period. And it was recently released and announced there as well. And then afterwards, we also released the plugin with a few people from the community. And we found some bugs. We found some little things here and there, some configuration problems, but they are all fixed now. And now the version that has been released is stable and is good to use from everybody.
Amazing.
Everybody who has WooCommerce.
Everybody has WooCommerce.
For now. Yeah. So right now the code is very integrated into the WordPress platform, into WordPress functionality, and uses WordPress functions and WordPress classes and objects and stuff. And so it will be an effort to untangle the plugin core functionality into its own library, into its own SDK, similar to how other payment platform SDKs work. But then once we have that, it should be pretty reasonable and easy to write wrappers for different shop systems, like for OpenCart or Shopify if they accept it, or Magento. Yes. So Nimiq has been announcing and starting to explain OASIS as well, the Nimiq OASIS exchange scheme. And together with that, there will be a connection to a liquidity provider which then people can trade with to exchange their crypto to fiat in a non-custodial way. And the plugin will definitely, once OASIS is stable or is about to be available, we will definitely integrate this into the plugin so that the plugin can interact with OASIS and the liquidity provider to non-custodially and decentralized, in a decentralized way, exchange the funds that the users, that the clients pay with, directly into fiat, into their bank account. And there will be lots of communication required in the backend between the merchant server and the liquidity provider and the bank that implements OASIS to make sure that everything is working fine and there's no trust actually required between the parties. So that's why it's all trustless and decentralized and non-custodial. And the plugin also as well currently, by the way. The plugin works totally without a centralized Nimiq service. So it uses Blockstream, for example, for Bitcoin, and it uses Etherscan, for example, for Ethereum. But it still validates all this information itself. It doesn't rely on some Nimiq service to tell it, yeah, the transaction has confirmed. So everything is really checked in the plugin, decentralized in each merchant's server themselves. And it requires no personal information. That's right. There's no registration required there's no Nimiq payment provider in that case that you need to register with. No, everything is happening in your plugin itself, and there's no personal information required. And that will stay the same, most likely. I will say the same for the next phase as well, for the next version, which integrates OASIS, because everything is still going to be done only from your server, only from the shop system, from the e-commerce system installed on that server to the respective APIs. And maybe you will have to register with a liquidity provider to make an account there, but there's still no Nimiq service involved. There's no registration, no payment provider in that case. Right now, in the version 3 that we release now, you get crypto directly into your wallet. So you have to enter your extended public key of your Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets into the plugin, so you can derive new addresses for each order, and then the payments go directly into your wallet. And then with OASIS, it will go through the non-custodial OASIS protocol exchange, atomic swap exchange, directly into your bank account. Yes, right. There's no limit to transactions per month or per week or something, and no limits on amounts transferred. So if you put $10 as a price in the shop, then you will get the equivalent of $10 in crypto in your crypto wallet. And then in the next version that integrates OASIS, you will get exactly $10 in your bank account. Okay, so to install the plugin and to use it, you can search for Nimiq in your WordPress plugin installation page. And if you need any help setting up or need some support, have some questions, just join our Telegram channel or post in the forum and just state your question. And then we will be very happy, and the community will be very happy to help you.